Okay, I have the batteries installed. So all 4 batteries are installed. It doesn't have anything in there. There's no rubber flap in the back. I noticed that. Kind of weird. This is the control center here. Let's see. All right. Got it turned on. This turns it on and off. By turning it on, we're going to adjust the level to 3, 2, and 3. You know, the rest, we're going to turn it on. Turn it on with the remote. So I press here, it has the power. Let's go this way. It's kind of hard to do it with recording. So we know that it can record. We can go backwards. So this is with the power drive on at 1.3.
look what happens when I plug the batteries in. I'm going to plug the battery in and turn it on without doing anything. 1 down, 2 down. Now come to the main board. It turns itself on automatically, and you can't shut it down. You can't do anything. You can't even change. This works up and down. This works there, speed. And let me see what happens here. Press on this, won't let you go nowhere. Let me try something else here. All right, so we know as it is right now, it's not working. The main board don't work.
Review today for the new Litheli lawnmower that just came out, 18.5 E-Surge. It comes with 2 lithium batteries, 20 volt. Got the out the box. You're gonna get the charger, and you're also gonna get 2 batteries. Recommended you charge it before use. Also app control, and then it also does not have your traditional push bar. It has more of a steering wheel control, and you can also height adjustment up and down from 1 to 6, and you have a speed from 1.3 miles an hour to 3 miles an hour. So if you're looking for a new lawnmower, I definitely will look into Litheli, and definitely want to go green. And I hope everyone's having a great day.